Welcome back, guys. Got a 63 Buick LeSabre in the shop today. This one's got gold chrome throughout. What a beauty. So, there's a couple clips here of the tire machine. I did change the tires on this, or rotated them, and put the white walls out on this car. Obviously, they're going to get cleaned up and changed out. So this is a 401 factory car. So that means it's got a Buick nailhead. That's from the second generation of nailhead motors. So I think they started off really small, like 322 small, and progressed up, ended up with 425. This guy here, however, is a 401. So this car has gone through one motor in the time I've known it. I swapped this motor out probably about 2-3 years now, about there. I'm going to just go see if I can dig up a picture of when it was going in and out on it, but 401 nailhead, right? But let's stay on the car here for a minute. So here you'll notice the gold Buick, the I has been removed to say Buck. Now normally that is changed out. The owner here has put a B on there temporarily, and normally that's an F. Right. So take a look at the dash in here. You'll see pink fur outlining the dash. Modified buttons on the radio as well, and red tint on the back. Take note of the chandelier in the back. He likes to set the mood with the chandelier. Normally rolling out of car shows, he likes to have the chandelier going pretty strong. Dual antennas on the back, and I would be scared to know what this center trunk spear thing would be to replace. I know the one on my 7-liter Ford is pretty expensive, but we won't get sidetracked here. So I just wanted to give you a quick view here. What I'm going to do is start the car up. We'll rev the motor and get a couple of what it sounds like in there. Just give me a minute here, you guys. So here we go. So here's the 401 nailhead in there. I'm going to put the specs up here, just what it was. I believe this was around 325 horsepower for its time. And the torque on this motor, I think it was well into the 400s, but can't remember directly off the top of my head here for it. However, let's fire this thing up and have a little listen. Pretty nice motor. Like I said, it's pretty clean. I'm just going to put the microphone at the back to listen to the exhaust on this thing, or the side, sorry, to hear the exhaust here. Right on. So just thought with the tire machine going here, swapping the tires, I do a quick one on it. When I've got more time and my buddy comes back here when we're going through this thing, we shall get a better one on the motor itself. But again, do a couple walk arounds with the car, and thanks again for checking it out. We'll be back at you soon.